Her favorite pastime is her passion for fashion. Past tense because the dream to become a designer is behind her. Some solely console the lonely when upset with them to mend a broken heart. She'll slowly start to sketch again. The Michael Kors bag was filled with pencils and paper. She drew in the nail salon as I thought I'll eventually date her. Will she associate her artwork with the pain I bring? My fear of commitment is why we remain a fling. Low self-esteem, high maintenance. She'll try my patience while waiting for me to give it the world. My lies and false word has been delivered to girls. Still they live for the silver and pearls. Though the gold in American apparel is what she deserves, but she's embarrassed and careful. She finds inner peace when she occupies her mind. Mama taught her about her quarter life, marry a man who could provide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and this is kae'swae. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification button with the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. It'll come up on the screen. You don't want to miss out on any of my pictures. So let's get started. I've been filming today, so we've got the whole month of June knocked out. I'm so happy. Today I am filming a Luduna hair wig review. So this is a 26-inch wig. I have never had 26 inches of hair on my head, boo, but here it is. I am less than 5'2". I'm 5'1" and 3/4", but I tell everyone I'm 5'2", and it is down to my hip, boo. So of course I'll start with the name. Luduna 26 lace front wig, real human hair body wave, lace front wig with baby hair, pre-plucked, 150 density, 9A, 100% unprocessed real hair wigs, glueless human hair, 13x4 lace front wigs for women, 26 inch. Okay. First of all, yes, this is definitely 26 inches, 100%. I've never had hair this long. And honestly, I was talking to one of my friends, and he was like, it's giving me, before he saw it, he was like, that's giving me Ratchet Girl vibes. And I was just like, 26 inches? I don't know about that, maybe 40, but, but I kind of started thinking the same thing. Once I had it on, I was like, okay, I like this. So I really like it. Pre-plucked, baby, no, this needs work. This wig needs work. This is not something that you can just pop on your head. I still have not even worked on it the way that I should. I should have plucked, but your girl don't have time for that. I really don't. Is it body wave? Yes, it is. It's very soft. It's very nice from the packaging. It just looks delicious. I will insert a clip of when it first came here. Okay, hey guys, so I wanted to unbox my Luduna hair wig. Ignore my niece if she comes in the frame. So I just ordered this wig like 2 days ago and it came. I got it off of Amazon. And it is a 24-inch wig, which I have never had. It is pretty long. And then it's, let's see if this thing will come off. This is what the lace is looking like. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. And then it has the regular drawstrings in the back. And oh, it's a 26-inch. It's not even 24 inches. Wow. And it's a body weight. So it came with a spray bottle, and then let's see what else is in here. And then just a dark brown wig cap, which I will not be using. And then it just comes in this bag that says 100% human hair. So I'm a little disappointed with the packaging. Kind of lackluster. I was really excited, but I'm gonna go try the wig on. Me trying it on here. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. She is very, very long, boo. Like, real long. She's thick enough for me. I don't really need anything thicker than this. This hairline, though, baby, needs some major work. So, yeah, but she feels nice. It's a 13x4, which I didn't realize, and I don't really care for 13x4 wigs, but it's not that bad. So we'll see how it looks when she looks cute. All right, and then yeah, so you can see it's on my head. I love it. The lace is actually easy to blend. I did not bleach my knots. I just sprayed it with some wig spray, that tinting spray, and then I plucked parts of it, like in the front a little bit, nothing too crazy. And then what else did I do? And then I stuck this thing on my head with some Godspeed glued and called it a day, because yeah. I am not one of those girls that are going to do a whole bunch to the wig. It is definitely a very short 13x4, I will say that. It only goes back here, and that's in the middle. On the sides, it barely goes back, so you'll see like my little side part is a very short, but I don't mind that much because I have wigs that are 13 by 6 that I'll wear if I really want to like really part my hair, especially if I want to do a middle part. I don't like wigs that the part stops here for a middle part. I want it to be a little bit more back, so I don't know if I'll ever wear this in a middle part. Okay, hey guys, this is Future K. Oh my goodness, I have never done a voiceover before, but I just wanted to let you guys know I did wear it in the middle part and I liked it. Yeah, get back to the video. But a half up, half down as well will look good, so I am going to try that. I did put it up like that yesterday, but I just feel like it needs to be plucked a little bit better. But yeah, 150 density, definitely. It's not super thick, but it's not thin. It hasn't been tangling. It does shed. It doesn't shed crazy. I've definitely plucked it and it's not like thinned out or anything like that. I feel like the wig is pretty, the lace is pretty thin, so that's always good. It blends pretty well. I did not do the ball cap method or anything like that, and it blends really well. Once I put on my makeup and then just like dabbed my foundation on top of the lace just to blend in everything, it looks really good. What else can I tell you guys? It is definitely big head friendly, but not like huge head friendly. The straps in the back keep it down well enough for me. I don't know how it would look if I did not glue it down. I don't know about glueless. I don't like putting on my wigs without attaching them to my head. I just don't like the lifting at all. So there is that. It came with like baby hairs-ish, kind of, not really. There are 1, 2, 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with that drawstring in the back as well. What else can I tell you? Pre-plucked, I told you guys, it's a dub. That's not true. That is a lie. They are lying to you. This is not pre-plucked. It's not. And then yeah, that's it. The hair is really soft. It's big head friendly. It didn't come with a foul odor. I really like it. It's long. I cannot wait to get my wears out of it. I really want to wear this wig for a while, honestly. I'm really excited about it because it's so long, because I know then I can cut it. It did come with a little bit of a layer, so you can see that like this part's shorter and then these parts are way longer. I did not cut the hair itself at all. Maybe I will at some point and put some extra layers in there, but I don't really think so. I have not curled it, so we'll see in like another video what I say about it. I will be wearing it for a while, so I'll probably talk about it in a vlog. But yeah, anyway guys, that is all for this Luduna wig. Honestly, 8.5 out of 10. Other than I wish it was a 13 by 6, to be honest, and it needs to be plucked. Other than that, the hair is amazing. Oh, and there's some filler hairs right here that stick up a little bit, but if you have a wax stick and you stick it down and you flat iron it, or not flat iron it, hot comb it, it'll be fine. But I would definitely want it to be a 13 by 6 instead, so I'm going to look into more of their wigs. Did I say you could get this on Amazon? 2-day shipping? Come on, it came like that. It came. If I had put in the right card, so I get new cards like every flipping week. If I had put in the right card, my new card, instead of my old card, it would have came the next day. So that shipping's amazing. If you need a wig tomorrow, like most likely you'll be able to get it the next day or 2 days or whatever. So I love that about Amazon wigs. That's why you see me with these Amazon wig hauls, because I've done the other companies, but I can get away from Amazon in 2 days. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will also link my dress, which I was in summery vibes. I didn't go anywhere, guys. I'm just in my house. I did like 50 billion try-on hauls, and I just ended up in this. This is not in any of my try-on hauls. This dress is from Boohoo. If you guys want to get it, I will definitely link it if it's available, or link something similar on Amazon. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification button with the bell, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.
Pull up in my hood, best dress. Next thing, upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck. Good boy, tell that nigga fetch. I took my new man on a leash. Played in my own nigga, he was just a lease. Right along